Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute hat beanie. It's an adult size. You can make it adjust it as you like. I'm gonna explain it in the video. You can simply use a different size yarn and hook. For this one, I use this yarn, Ice Yarns. It says Ralph Mohair. It's a category 2 fine yarn, recommends a 3mm hook, but I use 5mm because I used 2 strands together. You need 2 balls. I use nearly 70 grams of yarn, so you need 2 balls. It's a soft and it looks like a knit work, but it's not, of course. I hope you like this one too. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can find the subscribe button below. It's totally free, and if you are ready, we can start now. Now we are gonna make this. Okay, I want to explain you with this piece at first and give you the measurements. It's 37 centimeters from here and 30 centimeters from here. When you wear it, okay, it will fit a 50 centimeter hat. If you want to make it bigger, just make a few more rows. This 30 centimeters height will work for teens, men and women. If you want to make it a child, you can make it 25 centimeters long. We are gonna start with 61 chains. You can make maybe 8 less chains for a child version and make less rows. You can find it with just measuring around your head or the child's head. Measurement is the important thing here. You don't have to have any multiples. You can start with any numbers. It's better to use a stitch marker here. Now we can start with a slip knot. Make 61 chains, loose chains. I complete 61 chains. If you are not sure about the chain numbers, your gauge can change to hand to hand. If you want, you can make more chains, and when you make this stitch, if you have enough measurements, you can stop there and cut the leftover chains, or while you are joining the top part, you can simply just sew it to inside. And right now it's 39 centimeters, but it will be shorter. Now, starting from this first stitch, we are gonna make single crochets for 26 chains. So skip this first one. We are gonna use this back bump. Skip the first one, insert into the next, put a single crochet, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. Make 26 single crochets. When you complete 26, into this last stitch, put a stitch marker. And starting from here, we are gonna make half double crochets. Yarn over, insert into this next chain, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through all. We will make 34 half double crochets. By the way, this will be a long brim. We are gonna fold it. If you are making this for a child, you can make it 20 single crochets or 18 single crochets. It's up to your hand. Make 34 half double crochets till the end. We are at the row 2, chain 1 and turn. For this row, we are gonna make half double slip stitches. It's only 2 row repeats. Okay, we are gonna make half doubles and half double slip stitches. Yarn over. You see, that's the back loop, that's the front loop, and there is one more loop. We can call it the first loop. We are gonna use these first loops. Insert, grab this loop, and without yarning over, we are gonna directly pull through this loop from these 2. Yarn over, insert into the next one's first loop. You see, this stitch will look like that. Okay. I'm gonna skip back, front, insert from this first loop, grab the yarn, pull through. Pull through 2. It's not so hard to make, just try it, okay? Keep making till you reach the stitch marker. I'm making the last one. And that's our stitch marker. Starting from here, we are gonna make single crochets, but we will only use these back loops this time. It's a regular single crochet ribbing. We will use back loops for here. Always use back loops. Insert and put a single crochet. Put the stitch marker. And make 26 back loop only single crochets till the end. For only this last stitch, you can use both loops. It will look neat with this way. Chain 1, turn, make 26 back loop only single crochets. That's our stitch marker. I'm gonna put a back loop only single crochet here and put the stitch marker into the same place. Now we are gonna make half double crochets, regular half double crochets, but starting from here we will only use this back loop. You see, that's the first loop, front loop, back loop. This will be our repeat. Back loop only half double crochets, then a half double slip stitch from the first loops. So it will look like that, like this, two lines together. Meet you at the end. I'm at the end. I'm gonna put one last half double crochet. You can count your stitches because it's easy to skip this one, or you can put a stitch marker here too. Chain 1, turn. We are gonna make half double slip stitch from these first loops. And when you reach this stitch marker, we're gonna make back loop only single crochets till the end. For this last stitch, use both loops, chain 1, turn and make back loop only single crochets till you reach to the stitch marker. Then back loop only half double crochets. Complete this row, turn back and first loop only half double slip stitches. Just repeat this as long as you want. Rows count is not important, so I'm not gonna give you row counts. Okay, now we're gonna join. That's the front side of my work. Now first we will join this brim part. You see, that's where I start, that's where I finish. I'm gonna hold them with this way. Okay, that's where I made my last stitch. Chain 1, insert both loops, make a slip stitch or a single crochet, both loops, join with slip stitch till the end of this brim part. Don't make this slip stitch too tight. Okay, I'll meet you there. Once you complete here, just turn this that's the wrong side. Now we're gonna join these two together. Yes, that's my loop. Now you see this one, that's where I start, okay? That's where I complete. You see, that's my starting leftover yarn. Now from here I'm gonna insert both loops, and from here I will only insert this first loop. You see, that's the front loop. Now if you look from here, front loop, back loop, first loop. When you hold it like that, you can see it easily. Just insert, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. Both loops, first loop, make a slip stitch. You see this one. Keep joining till the end. I'm making the last one. Make a chain. I leave a little bit long tail because we are using it for sewing it. Just join this top part from the back. Oops. And I put a pom-pom here. You don't have to. You can use it without pom-pom, or you can make your own. I'm gonna put the pom-pom video tutorial here. You can find it there. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Ravelry, Etsy, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.